I know you probably read the title and saw the thumbnail, but judging by these ingredients, can you guess what we're making?
We're making the viral Tik Tok Pasta thing and we're gonna see whether it tastes any good. I've heard good things about it.
Same.
Surely for it to go viral, it has to taste pretty good. And it's really easy from what I've seen.
So we're just gonna go for it?
Yeah, I'm not.
Are we gonna explain what it is or we're just going for it?
Surely everybody knows. Oh, you explain
I don't know.
it.
In case you haven't heard of this Tik Tok pasta that has seeped into other social medias, not just TikTok, it's basically just some cherry tomatoes with a block of feta in the middle, and then you bake it and melt the feta in the oven, and then you mix it with pasta.
Yeah, it's super easy. Supposed to be super easy at least. I've never even seen it, but I'm gonna just guess how to do it.
You've never seen it be made?
I've never properly seen it.
All right.
So 2, what do you call these? Punnets or cherry tomatoes?
Punnets. And then...
Is that really all?
Yeah. Put some olive oil on it first, just to make sure you cover all the tomatoes.
All right, so just a generous amount, yeah?
Yeah, but we're gonna add more again later. I just wanna do it to make sure all the tomatoes are coated.
Oh, okay then.
You want the seasonings to stick.
Okay, I'll do that to start off. Give this a little...
Oh, you get in there, man.
I don't want to get in there,
I'll
man.
get in there.
Moisturizing.
Leave a little spot for the feta.
All right, now we've just got... Are you supposed to have... What kind of feta are you supposed to have? We just got Australian feta.
Greek feta.
Why
I don't
didn't
know.
you get Greek feta then?
There wasn't.
There was no Greek feta.
Yeah, like none of them specifically said Greek, and then this one said a semi-soft cheese, like soft. So another one was like hard.
Right.
No, my hands are so oily.
That's why I didn't want to do it.
But you have to for the flavor.
Right, if I can ever get this... Oh, I got scissors? Tuck me the scissors.
Oh yeah, sorry, I did bring the scissors for the feta.
Pop, 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 pop. All right. Feta.
And now some more olive oil. Oh, actually, wait, stop. Garlic.
Garlic.
Now it says 5 cloves. My sister made this pasta. She said to just put heaps of garlic in. So I bought a whole thing of garlic. Potentially we could use the whole thing.
So you said you don't need to peel it?
You don't peel it.
You don't peel the garlic?
No, some people do. And some people even like chopped it up and everything. You want it to get roasted because then this will all roast together, and then at the end you just mash it together. So imagine like a nice roast garlic mashed up and mixed into a sauce.
Wouldn't you still want to peel it though?
No, you peel it after it's roasted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the difference whether I peel it now or after?
Maybe it doesn't roast as nice.
If you say so.
But you want to try some peeled and some not.
I just feel like I can't be bothered peeling it afterwards.
But it's easier. Maybe that's why, because in the video it literally comes off, like you just squeeze it out like an edamame.
All right. We'll put a bunch of garlic in there.
A bunch, please. I love garlic.
Me too. Yeah, we'll put the whole clove in. There you go. There you go. There's no such thing as too much garlic.
All right, olive oil.
So how much? Just...
A generous drizzle over the whole thing, including the feta. Yes, whoa, okay, wow.
You said generous, don't say generous if you don't mean it.
I'm just gonna spread it on the feta. Now the seasonings. Salt, pepper.
I feel like I don't want too much salt because the feta's salty AF.
Yeah.
I do a lot of pepper though. I love pepper.
And don't forget to do it on the feta. There we go.
It all gets mashed up and stirred in anyway. What's the matter?
That is true. You do have a point. And dried oregano.
How much of this?
A lot of it. I love it.
A lot?
Yeah. Oh no, it's windy.
Uh-oh, all the garlic pieces are flying away. Alright, how easy was that?
Yeah.
Is that done?
Yep, so now we have to put it in the oven for about half an hour.
Alright, that's so simple.
I know. We'll see you later. Oh my God, no way. I was like, oh man, someone turned their hose on.
Oh my God.
No, it's just the freaking sizzling.
It's sizzling. Watch out, it's super hot.
Oh, that looks good.
Wow.
Now, we need to somehow peel the garlic off. It's gonna be really hot.
Right, and whose idea was it to not peel it?
TikTok's. It wasn't me, it was TikTok.
Who kept saying that we should peel it?
Not TikTok.
Who said that it was gonna be really easy to peel?
Yeah. Well, let's try. You didn't even try. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yum. All right. I'm gonna just. I don't know how to do this exactly.
Yeah, it's very easy, isn't it? Just be very careful. I think it's really hot. Did you guys believe how much it was sizzling before? Jesus. It looks amazing though. Look at how the skin's kind of peeled off the tomatoes. Is it hot?
Yeah, a bit.
I thought.
It's not that bad. Look how easy that is. Oh, are you okay?
No, I'm just joking.
Oh my god.
My body thought it was hot, but it wasn't actually hot. It does just peel off though.
Yeah.
There we go, just peel off another one. Let's try just squeezing it out. I'm squeezing it out onto the feta. It's somewhat hot, but it's not too bad. There we go.
Oh my god, this smells freaking delicious.
Ready guys? Whoop. Oh. Out you go, little buddy. There you go. Get out. Get.
So now, mush the feta with a fork and the tomatoes. Mush it all.
Mush it all?
You do the honors of the feta. Go first.
Oh, whoa.
Now I got a feeling the tomatoes might squirt juice, so just be careful. Wow.
Come on, join in. Do some feta. It's fun.
Oh.
There you go. It's fun.
Whoa.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
It's nice and gooey.
And crush the garlic.
So you just do everything now.
Yep, crush it all up.
I'm gonna crush a garlic. Can you guys see this garlic here? This one here? Just smush it. Oh, see? This is gonna taste amazeballs, I reckon.
No. How good does it look?
And it was very easy. My oven kept breaking and it just turns itself off, which was really annoying. But aside from that, this was like, it's minimal effort. That's why I want to see whether, does this really taste good? I'm always really skeptical of these like hacks and viral food videos.
Now mix it together, and before we fully mix it, we're gonna add some fresh basil. This is from my garden at home, everybody. I hope it's okay to eat. I washed it.
Do we just like, do we rip it or
Yeah,
what do
let's
we do?
rip it up a little bit. Unless you want a whole piece, big piece in your mouth.
I don't know how to do basil. How does one do basil?
Yeah, like this looks good. It looks like enough. So yeah, mix it all together. There's a big chunk of feta. All right, you ready to add the pasta?
All right, it's got a nice orangey color now. All right, let's do it.
Ready? And just keep mixing. It smells so freaking good.
Are you stealing all the smell from me or something? I can't really smell it.
I can smell it. Like when I make normal pasta, the normal way, I never get these kinds of nice smells.
Because this has like, the oil has had time to infuse like all the garlic and everything in it, I reckon. Because it cooks for like half an hour.
Yeah. It smells like a nice pizza.
It does. Let's plate up now. We'll plate up, girl.
right.
Don't rush things.
Can you plate up with the fork? I only have forks.
Yeah. Okay, would have been much easier with that. I had a wooden spoon.
Oh, where is it? Do you want me to get it?
That's all right. Okay.
Are you sure you don't want me to get it?
The wooden spoon could be good.
Yep.
It could be good.
Yes, it will be.
Your one? Bit of feta. Gotta get a bit of feta.
Cheers. Whoa. That is so good. Oh my god. I love how it's like, it's so tomatoey flavor, but there's no like tomato sauce.
The basil's really good.
Oh, this is actually so freaking good.
It's actually very good.
This is why they sold out of feta in Finland.
You know, I thought it would be a little bit plain.
Yeah, it kind of looks plain.
It looks really plain, right?
Yeah.
But I think because of all the oil, it just coats all the pasta really nicely. So just every single piece of pasta, it's like a lighter flavor pasta, but it's like super nice and fresh and everything.
It's actually so delicious. I did not think it would be this good.
It's pretty good.
I love it. I would
Very
do it
good.
again. Definitely do it again.
Easily better than any jar pasta. Probably easier even. Just whack it in the oven. It's like a nice summery, fresh pasta.
Yeah, I was thinking it could be nice as like a pasta salad too.
I feel you, homie.
This is so yum.
It's good. I think it's all the oil.
And then would you even add like anything else to it?
I don't feel like it needs anything else.
I know, because yeah, I was thinking like, well, maybe you could just add some, make it your own kind of version, but it's actually just perfect how it is.
You gotta get the basil too. The basil is good. I feel like for simple pastas, you need like that type of thing.
Fresh basil from my garden. I hope we don't get sick. Who knows if it like bugs crawl on it.
I think this was pretty damn good.
I freaking agree.
I would make this again just because of how easy it is.
It's just actually so delicious. You guys seriously gotta go try it. I'm not into like gimmicky kind of foods.
Me neither. I'm like, I really hate gimmicky types of foods.
Yeah, but this is actually, I really highly recommend everyone to just do it.
If I got this at a restaurant, I'd be happy. For real.
It literally tastes like I'm eating at a restaurant. It tastes like a nice Neapolitan pizza in pasta form.
Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, I want a little bit more.
Ta-da!
Just one more bite will do me. Ta-da again.
Because just looking at it, looks plain. Bit dry.
Yeah, it really does look plain and dry, but it's not.
It ain't even.
Not whatsoever.
I thought you said one more bite.
Okay, oh, I got a piece of garlic. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
I just really didn't think it would be that great, but it's like, if there's one thing that I recommend in the whole world, it's just make this.
Really?
Yeah, because it's like so easy. It's like,
Yeah,
why wouldn't
that's
ya? Everyone loves pasta. Why wouldn't ya?
It's good for how easy it is. All right. Well, there you go, guys. We experimented it for you guys to see whether it was any good, and it was good. So go out and do it. All right, bye.
Bye.
Quick video. Bye. Bye, everybody. This was just a quick video. Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.